Okay, here we are at 13 Willow Drive, and this is a classic Cape with a two-car garage and an extra storage area on the side. Here's our street view. This is a cul-de-sac location, so low traffic location here in Uncasville, Connecticut. So one of the things that are special about this particular house is we've got a really nice access to the backyard, which is family friendly because when your guests come, you've got paved driveway, plenty of parking here, parking right there, turn around, but architectural shingles. So with the two-car garage, we've got something unique right here, and you could keep it as is. What we've got in here is a gym. So this gym area is really a nice spot, really. There's some storage in the back, and if you didn't want this, if you wanted a larger garage, you could take this wall back down, and we've got the two-car garage beyond, but we've got also some attic storage here. So how's this? A little getaway? Could be even in a home office, but we'll go on the rest of the tour. What I'm really a fan of, though, is right here. If you've got that summer barbecue and you end up wanting to have friends and family come over, you walk straight in back to the patio area, and this is a composite deck right here. We got maintenance-free vinyl siding, and that access, no one has to walk through the interior of the house. They can come right back to the party here, and you've got a beautiful backyard. And we'll definitely take a walk down there and give you a sense of that space. The home has a real nice shed. Shed could use a little bit of work, but good place to store the lawnmower. So here's your side yard of the garage. Your backyard, like I said, it's enormous. Check this out. How's that for a nice backyard? You got a great vegetable garden right there. And one thing that's already there is the fencing to keep the rabbits and deer out, although the deer are pretty good jumpers. Our property line, you can see it's not straight line right here. It just comes at an angle. So here's the back side of the home. We've got a walkout lower level. That's important to realize. That's a nice feature. A lot of people look for that. We do have a nice Lennox Ductless Mini-Split system. And coming up here back to the front yard, we've got the septic in the rear. The well is in front. Beautiful maple tree right here. Gives us shade in the afternoon. So let's go on inside and see what this house has to offer. Let's take a peek. Okay, so here we are, classic Cape. We've got the stairs to the second floor. We've got our living room. We've got our dining room, and we've got center hall right here. So we'll work our way through the home this way. So family room, nice durable laminate flooring, obviously great spot for TV and entertainment. Front yard right here, so this is the front right of the home, so my door I just came through is right here. The first floor bedroom, so to me this is bedroom number 3, okay? So bedroom number 3 is the right rear bedroom. This bedroom has great view of the backyard, as you can see. Another thing that's nice, reach-in closet, but hardwood down here. So that's really nice and durable. And what we've got, back to our family room, which you just saw, we've got the lower level, finished lower level, but first floor bathroom. So that's kind of nice to be able to have the tub shower down here. The laundry was brought upstairs by prior owners. By the way, we've got nice thermal windows in terms of the vinyl replacement windows, no single hungs. So this is a full bath right here. And as I work my way through, I've got back to my center hallway right here. And coming through the center hallway, I do have a nice little real estate agent proof door knob. So I've got pantry right there, coat closet. Coming back up, I've got the dining room, and again, same thing, nice laminate flooring, durable, handles the family spills. Okay, I've got the dining room right here coming back to my center hall, and this doorway goes back out to the breezeway that goes back out to the garage. So I love that component because you can come and go. This is, you go out to get to the deck. This is tiled flooring. We've got granite. Actually, this is quartz countertops, not granite. So you can have a nice sight line to the grill. Make sure you're not burning your barbecue. So working our way through the house, we're going to do upstairs next. We've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath up. And again, real estate proof gates. Real estate agent proof gates. So working my way this way, the cellar utilizes the upper floor bedroom to the right. They utilizes their master. Got a nice reach-in closet here, full shed dormer, so we've got full height to the rear view of the backyard. Don't forget the Lennox mini splits. The ductless mini splits provide both heat and air conditioning. Okay, scale of the room, it's nice, all hardwood. Second closet, so hers, his. Working my way this way, we'll continue right into the other bedroom. Another reach-in closet. Here's my garage and my breezeway. Mini split head right there. Right here we got another reach-in closet. Here's a full bath. This has got a vinyl floor, so it's easy maintenance. Double vanity, double medicine cabinet. This is nicely done in terms of a bath fitters simulated. You know, this is an acrylic material, but it looks just like your subway tile, but without the maintenance of the grout. So that's a really nice touch. To finish this home off, what we've got downstairs in the finished basement is we actually have a pellet stove, finished lower level, with a walkout basement, and we preserve some unfinished space for you. So let's take a peek at that. Nice sight line right here. Here's our pellet stove. So this space is really family friendly, man cave, however you want to use it. It's got a little bar area right here. We've got the walkout right here. Come into this little closet. This is where my, oops, I can't quite get it open. Storage closet, my electrical panel right there. Working my way this way. Here's some storage underneath this little bar area, so it's a dry bar. Unfinished basement right here. So, electric hot water heater. Here's my well connection. City sewer and city water are not available. We're well and private septic here. So definitely want to get your showing scheduled. If you've been looking for a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath Cape, this might be the one. Low traffic location. Schedule your showings ASAP.